Test. Hello guys. So picture this. You not worrying about blackout, power outage, and those NEPA people, national grid breaking down. All those worries, zero it. I have the perfect solution for you. SmartTech ecosystem is here to solve all your power needs. Hi, I'm Zgold NDC, and you're welcome to SmartTech EcoPower. We definitely help homes and businesses to take control of their electrical solution smartly, the SmartTech way. Through solar panel installation, inverter supply, maintenance and repair, CCTV security and solutions, electrical installations. So with SmartTech EcoPower, you remove generator and fuel stress, reduce cost of electricity, and one more thing, peace of mind, because you definitely have light in your homes and businesses. That is actually the new era of I pass my neighbor. I guarantee you that. So what makes us different is we don't just install solar and leave you hanging. No, we tailor it to your need. From small homes to full business installation. Just what you need, we provide. So guys, if you are tired, and I know you are, from unstable electricity and ready to switch to smart solution, you can reach out to us and we'll get you set up right away. Don't delay this. Time is money. Your business is crying. Your home is lacking. Reach out and let's get you hooked up. And definitely don't forget to share, like. Maybe you don't need it, but there is someone